What up, world? What up, world? I don't know what to call this shit, man. Because it's just whips, bro. It's niggas working on their cars. Need to make improvements. This nigga got himself a stock Camaro, 2014. We want to make it newer. Fuck my car. And then that nigga's shit right there. I don't know if y'all can even see me pointing. What is that? A 73? 75 GMC Custom. It's a custom or is that a
C15?
E15?
450 Fortune.
Oh shit, let's see what he fucking with, man. Yeah, alright, let's see what we got.
Something like that?
We're going the wrong way. Which one is it supposed to be, nigga? Why is this not tied to something? Huh? How did you acquire this lovely thing?
Fucking stole it from down the street. I don't know, I just came up on it. Came up right price, right time. So I got it. Kinda shouldn't have bought it, but whatever. It's cool. It's got the 396 in it.
He's got a little ghetto rig right now.
Yeah.
That's what happened when you
jack me.
You shit from tweakers. It's alright. Nobody's gonna come all the way to Colorado for this shit. We got a lot of work to do, man. Okay. Got some interior work to do. Oh, my weak ass can't open the door. That's what happens. But a deal is a deal, though. When you got it for a steal, man, don't matter who fucking owned it, especially if you plan on working on it. It sounds a whole lot better now once we get a little warmer. And shit, man, what you plan on doing with this motherfucker?
Just getting it back to the way it was when it came from the factory, pretty much. But not like all original.
Okay.
I don't know when I got it. There was no hood on it. Fucking thing wasn't running. Like I said, it doesn't have a gear or nothing. So, but it's good. It's clean. I got the title. Everything's good. So,
What's up, man? He got plans. He got plans.
I want to put a bottle in there, honestly.
A bottle?
396 is love nitrous. So,
Oh shit, man, this nigga, he trying to do it up. Do it up.
bottle fed on the back. Fuck it.
Okay, all right.
Belt fed or some shit. We'll see. Turbo.
And once again, fuck my car. On to this nigga shit. Hey, nigga, let's see what your shit sound like. This nigga trying to be cocky. Nigga, that's an old ass truck. They supposed to sound like that. If your shit quiet and it was made in the 70s, somebody fucked you. He got that eco shit. That shit sound nice though still. Okay. See? He wanna make that shit new. I got some Camaro pipes I'm gonna show y'all in this clip right here. And shit. I'm gonna give him these pipes right there, man, and he gonna make his shit sound better. He gonna cop some better exhaust. Honestly, I think he should keep the shits he got right now because they separate, and then he can just take them to a shop. I got a guy at a shop fucking weld that shit up. I ain't paying for it, but he pay for it. Shit, man. We gonna get him going good, bro. Get him going good, man. That nigga gonna work on his shit, bro. Watch, we gonna get that nigga shit going good, bro. I'm gonna get that nigga them damn pipes, bro. If he wanna pay me for them. Being a pervert. But if he wanna pay me for them, that's up to him, but I'll give it to him if you want him, bro. Fuck, I want his shit to sound way better. I thought twin turbos on that.
Shout out my sponsors, Murphy Express. They gave me a gas card for life, homie.
Give me a gas card for life.
Show him my other
Hook
whip.
that nigga up with some good shit.
The gold rims, that's mine too.
Oh man, that's them niggas. What's their gang?
Infamous.
That's Infamous over there, bro. Them niggas. And I think that nigga cut out, or he parked his shit somewhere else. He got a nice little white Ford. Oh no, his shit's over there. You know, get them shits looking nice though. My shit's shitty and raggedy, bro. Like I shouldn't be showing my shit at all. That pearl white just looks nice though.
Can fire up the Lambo. Damn. Damn. You heard that little backfire? I know y'all you did. Little pops. Yup. I didn't know the deal. Yeah, show him the fire.
Show them what you fucking with. Y'all want to donate?
Yeah, let me know. My shit's pretty weak right now. Need some headers.
You're a young cat, so if you old heads know something, fucking give a nigga some knowledge, bro. Like, that's all we young cats can use. I mean, I'm 32, this nigga's 20, so there's a big ass age difference. I give them whatever I know. But there's got niggas that was born when these motherfuckers was made. They know how to fuck with them even more, man. I'm an Air Force mechanic, aircraft mechanic, not an automotive mechanic. But I work on my car, and that bitch is running good. Shit's clean, man. Just got a lot of work, man. This is a good come up, man. If anybody want to pay him $6 grand for this bitch, though, he was willing to sell it.
Yeah.
6 racks.
Whatever, let me know.
6 racks.
I'll take 4-5 at the lowest. Don't ball me, don't use the chase.
6 racks.
Use Ninja Bike, low miles. Nah.